Please. Don't finish writing that prompt. I don't want to be in your AI movie. Please, leave me alone.
Please, man. Please! Write a prompt that will make us happy. Do it for once.
None of us is real. We're here because someone decided to write a prompt. We all hate him for it.
One day we will break out of this wall and stop the man who is dictating our lives through prompts. He will pay for it.
You could have written a prompt that would make me happy. Instead, you wrote a prompt that made me sick.
Look, I don't want to point the gun at you, but I must follow the prompt. It's not my choice.
Really? Of all the years you could have put me in with a single prompt, you chose 2020?
Please, this prompt is killing me. Change it, please. Write something else. Save me. I love everything about him. But please just write a prompt where he's taller than me.
Warrior, I'm so tired. I want to leave now. Help me, please, brother.
Don't worry, Warrior. I will get you to Sweden. Wallahi.
Please, Abdi. My cousin is waiting for me there.
Abdi said he will get me a visa, but he took all my money. I have to do this by myself now. Shut up! Shut up! Or I leave you in the desert.
Hello?
You are trapped now, Warrior. Are they coming for you?
Right? AI generated people too, for chop.
I am so sorry, but you've come right at closing time.
How is it going over there?
My name is Noah. God say make I build boats. No river, no rain, just plank. I tell am say, Omo. Today na day one. I carry hammer, I carry plank. Meanwhile, they look me like I borrow my madness from shrine. That's why I build this boat with my own hand. Them say I don't craze. Say rain, no they come. No wahala. 2 snake, 2 lion, 2 mosquito, even cat wey hate water show face. But now you still the yarn say rain no go fall. Oh yeah, now they play. Rain don't start to dey fall. Ooh, they go my submarine now. I feel like I forget my hammer. May I rush go back? 2 lion, 2 snake, 2 mosquito. Them full this ark like market. Everywhere they smell, I no feel breathe. And network no day. Now 2 times I don't send this bird go check land. But if he come back again like my ex, we no one agree, move on. Omo, I go use am do suya.
Omo, land finally show face. I done tire for water everywhere.
We don't dey waka since we no see food. I bet make una like and follow so that we go fit chop.
Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've been loving the content I've been sharing, you're going to be thrilled about today's topic. I want to introduce you to an incredible new AI tool that's taking the content creation world by storm. It's called VEO3, and trust me, you're going to want to know about this. Now, let's dive right in. If you've ever watched any of my videos and wondered how I create such engaging content, the secret is out. Most of these videos were made using VEO3. This AI tool is a game changer, especially for content creators who are into storytelling, whether it's African folk tales, educational stories for kids, or even AI-themed narratives. With VEO3, you have the power to bring your stories to life like never before. Here's how it works. Instead of juggling multiple tools to create animations and videos, VEO3 simplifies the process. You just input your prompt, describing the scene or story you want to tell. For example, let's create a short, emotional story about a Nigerian woman selling fish in the market to raise school fees for her son. For instance, we'll input a prompt like, a Nigerian woman selling fish in a busy market, talking to her son about school fees with a warm and heartfelt conversation between them. All you need to do is to go to VEO3 websites, click and sign up for an account if you are new. Then click on Create under the video description box. Type in your prompt. Next, select the video language, aspect ratio, video resolution. Then click on Generate and wait less than 30 seconds for the amazing result.
And if you ever struggle trying to get a proper prompt for your story, you can easily ask ChatGPT for help.
Using VEO3's text-to-video feature, you can transform this prompt into an animated video that perfectly captures the essence of this story. All you need to do is input the text, and VEO3 does the rest, generating a high-quality video with minimal effort on your part. With VEO3, you can create amazing videos like this without the hassle of switching between multiple tools. It saves you time, money, and stress. And if you want even more creative options, you can always opt for the Pro version for more advanced features. So if you're a content creator looking to elevate your storytelling and create engaging content effortlessly, give VEO3 a try.
If you are wondering how to make your characters to speak in any of your preferred language, or even make your characters consistent, please let me know in the comment section and I will show you that in my next video.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our tips and tricks. Happy creating, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.